Evan, what you got? You got your shoes and socks? Sock. Sock, that's right. You gonna try to put it on? Try to put it on. You gonna blow your nose? It's a good try. What about your shoes? Where's your shoes? You put your shoes on? You gonna put them on? Good job. Good job, Evan. Good try. Good job. We about did it. Gotta keep practicing, don't we?